angels, so I have a problem buying clothes, and it's got to a point where I have no hangers left. I have things just thrown in there because I have no room, and it's got out of control now and I need to sort it. I have way too many clothes, some of which I've probably never worn before or I don't wear anymore, and I feel like it's just, oh my god, it's just time. It's time, guys, it's time to let go of some of this. Okay, so I'm just gonna go through all my clothes. I absolutely love this top. It is getting warm in England, like, whoa, warm in England, what do you mean? I do have another one in purple, which, if I'm completely honest, purple is not my favourite colour, so I think I'll get rid of this one and keep the blue one. This top is kind of new from Shein. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this top. I think I wore this on my birthday. I'm pretty sure. Go watch it if you haven't already. I have so many jumpers, and this is where it's going to get difficult because I live in jumpers. This one you would have seen in my small business, supporting small business video. I absolutely love this. The quality is amazing and I just love everything about it, but the colour is not for me, so it's gotta go. Oh, I love this green colour, so pretty. This is really rank. I've had this top for so long, it's gone all bobbly and like kind of like out of colour, but I just can't get rid of it because I literally wear this with everything I wear. If I get rid of this, I'll just buy another one anyway, so I might as well just keep it. Oh, see, sharing hangers because I don't have any. Love that for me. I think I might put this to charity. Yeah. So this top I absolutely love, but I think I'll get rid of it because I put some weight on my arms and it was already snug, and I know my arms aren't going to fit in this and it's going to be uncomfortable. It is cute though. I didn't get this too long ago and it's absolutely tiny from H&M. It's actually not very nice to wear because it's so tight. I got this from a vintage store and they've like reworked it and made it a crop top. I actually made this jumper myself, not the jumper but the tie-dye on it, so I'm really proud of this one and it's still so comfortable. I got these from Small Businesses, You Are Not Alone, and then like little retro stuff on this one. This is perfect for summer, but am I gonna wear this? I've got to be honest with myself, but it's so hard to let go. Okay, what I'll do with this one is I'll keep it for the summer, and if I don't wear it in summer, I'll just get rid of it. This top's super cute, like the back is like a low back. Am I ever gonna wear it though? No. This is super comfy, but I just don't like the green on it anymore. So this top has one strap like this, and I feel like every time I wear this I'm scared my boobs exposed. Oh, I also got this from a, what's it called, a vintage shop, and they've reworked this as well. It's Burberry vintage and I absolutely love it, but it's a bit tight on me and I'm not really here for it. Next, this is all bottoms, jackets, dresses, that kind of thing. We've got some tops shoved up here because I had nowhere else to put them. A racer back top in black, I'll keep that one. I remember this one being very uncomfortable, so a basic white top. And then we have this one that I absolutely just adore. I don't know what it is about it, but I just love it. Ew. I just love it so much. And then we've got stuff shoved down here as well. A white jumper that is so bobbly. I can't deal with that. And then this little corset, which I have never worn, but I absolutely love. Have a dress that I did put on my Depop for ages, but no one wanted it, so I just ended up keeping it. I think I will keep it now it's summer. be so cute to go for a little meal with this on. So much stuff down here. These really bubbly, like they're worn out joggers. God. Okay, this is a dress I got the corset for. I haven't used it yet. Where would I even wear this? Picnic? Who's taking me on a picnic so I can wear this dress? Look how skinny it is. I feel so cute in this dress. I also put this on my Depop and no one wanted it as well. So I ended up keeping it, but I think I'll just try again. These are all skirts. I absolutely love these skirts. Like, look how cute that is. But I'm never gonna wear it. Oh, what's this? Oh, this is a skirt as well, which I'm not really feeling. I've never worn it. It looks like this, and it's got these really long dangly bits. I think it's the dangly bits that put me off. And then this is actually a top, guys. This is a top. It's like, put it, oh my god, how do you do it again? You put it like up here, and then cross it over, and then it like covers your boobs. Like that. But it is such a scary top to wear. Like, I feel like I'm going to be exposed any minute. These are actually my newest pair of jeans, and I'm obsessed. Look. Oh wait, no, I picked the wrong ones. I thought they were yeah, let me show you the other one. Look, they're ripped, they're so long, they have angel girl on the pocket at the back, they fit lovely, they're very comfy. Perfect. I'm gonna get the shorts out for summer, guys. These are my favourite pair of shorts. I love the like blue wash on them. And then we've just got a bunch of skirts. Oh my god, why do I like them all though? Yeah, oh, this is so hard. I haven't got the mental I don't know what to say. I don't have the mental courage to do this today. Right, come on. We've got to be serious. Take it seriously. I think it's time to let go of these checkered ones. These give me good vibes. First lockdown, finding myself and like, let's try something new style. I think all my dresses I'll keep because I still haven't had an opportunity to wear them because the weather's never nice in England, and I'm obsessed. Oh my god, I can wear these now. Yeah, what I'm gonna do with this denim jacket, because I don't really wear it that much, so I think I'm going to crop it and tie-dye it. Is that a good idea? I don't know. I don't know. I'll give it to someone because this is such a nice jacket. Someone deserves it. I'll just ruin it by tie-dyeing it. And then shoes. Oh my god, I love these. I wore these for my dad's wedding. Shall we bring this into fashion? Socks and heels. Okay, I don't know when I'm going to wear these heels, but I've kept them for so long because they're sentimental. I wore them for my dad's wedding, and I'm sure I'll find a reason to wear them again. I will keep these. I'm definitely not hoarding anything. Okay, so now I've sorted through everything I don't want. I'm going to sort out everything I do want into categories, if you know what I mean. So I'll have jumpers all together, crop tops, t-shirts, kind of thing all together. So if you're following me and you would like some of the items, I'll show you what I'm getting rid of after this part of the video. Okay, I'm going to go for everything that I will be getting rid of now. Oh. This cropped hoodie jacket, this jumper from Pull & Bear, really cute. I love the pocket on it. I'll be trying to get rid of this like satin top again. These shorts, but I think I'll just give them to charity because they are actually broken. Brown top, new shorts. This grey crop top from Opoly, cardigan. This white hoodie, it's got strawberries on the side, but I think I might give this to charity as well. White turtleneck, yellow jumper, still got the tag in it, blue top, this little white crop top with these on it, so cute. Blue turtleneck, super soft. Pink crop top with honey on it, a hot pink crop top with a low back. So bodysuit, pink crop top with a butterfly on it. It says super lit, I don't know why. A reworked vintage Burberry top. I'm gutted, but it's too small. This white crop top, too tight for me. Brown top, gutted. Thank you and enjoy. Plain grey jumper, and then on the back it says Hidden Hills, sorry, Calabasas. This one strap top, white denim jacket, some blue shorts, this like crop top, and it's got these cute little suspender things on the bottom. This really long Adidas top, a little white top, black joggers, this ruched skirt, another plain white hoodie, this cute little skirt, brown crop top, a mint green rich and healthy lifestyle jumper, really comfy by the way, purple crop top with lace, Adidas t-shirt, cropped, and then this stripy top as well. I'll also be getting rid of these Vans as well, but I don't know, I will consult with my mum and see what's actually good to give away and what I should give to charity. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. I'm really happy to just declutter my wardrobes. I feel like it's a lot better now, there's a bit more room. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to see more of me. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.